Angle between the lines whose direction cosines are given by a relation. So here, to find angle between the lines determined by two relations, generally we solve those equations. We find L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2, and then we find angle between them. But it is one of the standard question here. The straight lines determined by the relation AL plus BM plus CN0 and FMN plus GNL plus HLM equal to 0 are perpendicular if F by A plus G by B plus H by C is equal to 0. How to remember this? F by A. Here Mn is there, missing letter is L. More variables are associated that we write in the numerator. So here Mn, Lm if I take coefficient 1, N coefficient half. Mn coefficient is 1, L coefficient is 2. NL coefficient is 1, M coefficient is minus. That means angle between them is 90 degrees. Here, to do this second problem, minimum radius which is orthogonal to, we don't know which circle is orthogonal. Let us assume this is the circle which is orthogonal to 1 and 2. Say this is some star. Star is perpendicular to 1. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is 3 plus c dash. Here g dash is minus 6, f dash 0, c plus 35. That is minus 12g minus c is 35. So this is number 3. Similarly, star is perpendicular to 2. 2g into g dash. Here f is not there. C plus 3. It is 4g plus c is 3. Solving, you get here it is c plus c dash, so it is minus c. So minus 16g is 32. G here is minus 2. Once g minus 2, you take any relation. Here it is 8. 2g g dash, sorry. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash, okay. Plus 8. G value, it is 4g. G value is minus 2, minus 8 plus c. C here is minus 11. Then radius will be g square plus f square minus c. 4 plus f square plus 11. Root of 15 plus f square. F square is greater than 0. So radius minimum becomes root b bar of two consecutive sides of a regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. What we have to find out is A bar. So A bar is EF plus FA. two consecutive sides, let us say AB comma BC. AB bar is A bar, BC bar is B bar. So here EF is parallel to CB. Since regular hexagon all sides are equal. BC bar is B bar, CB bar will be minus B bar. So it's minus B bar. FA will be, I don't know FA, so here I'll write FC plus CA. Here FC is 2 times AB. CA is CB plus BA. AB here is A bar. CB is minus B bar. BA is this. So minus 2B bar plus A bar, which is XA bar plus YB bar. X plus Y will be, we get minus 1. Second option is correct. Here it is. OA is A bar, OB is B bar. Here it is minus 110 A bar minus 9 by 10 B bar. Minus means so minus 1 by 10 A bar. If you extend this line, minus 9 by 10 B bar. B bar is in this direction, in this minus B bar. So if I draw a parallel line, here OM bar is OL plus LM minus 9B bar by 10. It is obviously this point is not inside, so it is outside. It outside means there are three options are there, but angle BAO region means this is angle BOA region. So it is not on that region. Angle BAO region means in this region. So it is simply you can say outside, it is not any specified angular region there. Where it is fifth roots of unity. So x power 5 is 1. X power 5 minus 1 I can write. X minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, x minus alpha 4. X minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 3, x minus alpha 4 is x power 5 minus 1. Take logarithms both sides. Log of x power 5 minus 1. So once you differentiate it, 1 by x minus alpha 1 plus 1 by x minus alpha 2, 1 by x minus alpha 4, which is equal to 5x power 4 minus 1 by x. Substitute x as 2, then LHS 1 by 2 minus alpha I from 1 to 4. 2 power 4, 16, 80 by 32 minus 1, 2 minus 80 minus 31, 49 by 31. So this Here it is determinant value r square minus r minus 1 whole square, which is 2r. Summation of AR will be 2 times summation of r. If there are n terms, 2 into n plus 1 by 2 minus this. You get this root of n square will be n. Here n here he given is 2010. That is the answer. Range of this function, apply componendo and dividendo. So adding these two, you get 2 into 2 power x minus 2 into 2 power minus x, 2 power 2x, 1 plus y by 1 minus. Taking log both sides, x will be half log 2 to the base this. So it is defined in the region y plus 1 by 1 minus y is positive, which implies here y lies between, that becomes the range. Circles which touches the line y equal to x, y equal to 0. So that means they are touching x-axis as well as another line y equal to root 3x plus 1. So this is a, this is radius, center is a comma radius. So the line here is root 3x minus y plus root 3 is 0. Center a comma r. So radius is r. So root 3a minus r plus root 3 by root of 3 plus 1, which is equal to radius. Root 3a plus root 3 minus r is 2r. One of the case, if you take positive, this is 3r. A plus 1 is root 3r. And he told center to origin a square plus r square is 1. So here it is a is equal to root 3r minus 1. Squaring both sides, a square is 3r square. A square plus 1 plus 2a is 3r square. R square here is 1 minus a square. Four a square plus 2a minus 2 0. 2a minus a minus 1 0. A plus 1 minus of a plus 1. A is equal to half comma 1. So possible value of is, but here radius is r. R square is 1 minus a square. A here is one case 1 which is not considered. R square is 1 minus 1 by 4. R will be 1 of the radius root 3 by 2. In other case, root 3a plus root 3 plus minus r is equal to minus 2r. That is root 3 times a plus 1 is squaring both sides. We get 6a plus 3 minus r square is 0. So here a square is 1 minus r square. 6a plus 3 minus r square. Here is 1 minus a square. This is 4a square plus 6a plus 2, 0. Here a value is 1. A value is minus 1 or minus half. So in this case, if a is minus 1, r will be 0, which is not possible. A is 1, r square will be 1 minus 1 by 4, or here is root 3 by 2. So R1 and R2, which implies R1 by R2 is 1. In this problem, it is 1 by 1 factorial, 9 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, 7 by factorial. Here 1 by 3 factorial, 7 factorial. This, if I will multiply with 10, 10 factorial and divide with the 10 factorial. Here it is 1 by 10 factorial, which is 10c9, 10c7. Here it is 10c1, I will write. 10c3, I will write. Here it is 10c5. So sum of odd coefficients 2 power m minus 1, 2 power 10 minus 1, that is 2 power 9 by 10 factorial, which implies m is 9, n is 10. Orthocenter is nothing but intersection of perpendicular lines. These lines are perpendicular. Solving this 2x equal to minus 4. X is minus 2 plus 1. So this is the, so where we get minus 2, m is 9. 18 minus 20 minus 2. Again 9 minus 10 minus 1. First option is correct. 70th one. So 1 by 1 into 3, I can write 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. So difference is 2. I'll write half. 1 by minus less, which is nothing but half into pi by 4, which is pi by 8. So the area bounded here, it is defined for x positive, y positive. Root y is 1 minus root x. Y here is 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x minus 2 root x. Area is 1 plus x minus 2 root x. Here x cannot, root y is 1 minus root x. So x will be maximum is 1, right? Y 0, x is 1. So this is 0 to 1 dx. We get x plus x square by 2, x square 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between 0 to 1, 1 plus half minus 4 by 3. So 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3, which is 9 minus 8, that is 1 by 6. Here this problem, area bounded by this curve is tan power nx dx between 0 to pi by 4, which is an. So a10 plus a8 will be 0 to pi by 4 tan power 10x plus tan power 8x dx. Further simplification, 0 to pi by 4 tan power 8x tan square x plus 1 dx, which is 0 to pi by 4 tan power 8x secant square x dx. Once you take tan x as t, secant square x dx dt, when x is 0, t0, when x is 45, t power 9 by 9, which is 1 by 9. Here it is. F of x1 minus f of x2 by x1 minus x2, which is less than x1 minus x2 whole square. Take modular already there. Limit x1 tends to x2, applying both sides. So this is the basic definition of derivative. I will write f dash x2, which is less than 0. So this is for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R, means I can say f dash x is less than 0. Modulus cannot be less than 0. So modulus must be 0. Only possibility. That means f of x is constant. He given f of 1 at the point 1 comma 2. So f of x is 2. So kx plus f of x. Y means f of x, k plus 2. When x is 1, k plus f1 is, that is when x is 2, 2x plus so he is asking value of k. X is 1 this, when x is 2, k plus 2. Since f is constant, it is 2k plus 2 equal to k plus 2, which is k equal to 0. Here f double dash x is less than 0. F dash x is decreasing function. So g dash x will be 2 times f dash x by 2 into half plus f dash 2 minus x into minus 1. So f dash x by 2 minus f dash 2 minus x. So g dash x is f dash x is decreasing. That means G of x he given increases means g dash x must be greater than 0. F dash x by 2 minus f dash 2 minus x must be greater. But it happens f decreases means f dash x by 2 is greater than f dash 2 minus x possible if x by 2 is less than 2 minus x, which implies 3x is less than 1, x is less than 4. But he given interval 0 to 2, which implies x is between 0 to 4 by 3. Here it is represent ellipse. So first I take whole square plus 5 square into y minus 2 by 5 whole square, lambda minus 1 whole square, 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 9 plus 16 whole square into 25. So which implies x minus 1 by 5 whole square, lambda minus 1 whole square, 3x plus 4y minus 1 by 25 whole square. So taking square root, SP is equal to EPM. So this is perpendicular distance. E here is mod of lambda minus 1 for ellipse. E lies between 0 and 1. So lambda minus 1 lies between 0 to 1. That means E in fact it is mod of lambda minus 1. So lambda lies between 0 and 1 and 2. So, sorry, 0 and 2.